Welcome to Woodcut Tech, where technology meets the passion for woodworking. Here, we share the latest techniques, useful tips, and modern tools in the world of carpentry. If you love creating and want to take your skills to the next level, don't miss any of our videos. The Hardnet PTO wood saw operates by connecting directly to the PTO shaft of a tractor, transferring powerful rotational energy from the engine to the saw blade for stable performance and maximum fuel efficiency. The saw blade is made from ultra-durable alloy, highly resistant to wear, with a large diameter that ensures fast, clean cuts, even through hard or thick logs. The sharp, evenly spaced teeth are precisely engineered to maximize cutting efficiency and minimize vibration during operation. A safety guard system and adjustable cutting table allow for better control and higher precision while working. With its outstanding performance and long-lasting durability, the Hardnet PTO is an essential tool for farms, wood workshops, and professional forestry operations. Today is the first real test for the Evo to show what it's made of. I'm about to run a stack of maple, oak, and cherry logs through the 8-way wedge, and just the thought of it gets me fired up. The engine roars and the sharp steel blade stands ready to slice through each heavy log with ease. I feel completely in sync with the controls. Every move is confident, powerful, and smooth. In no time, this pile of logs will be transformed into neat stacks of firewood. Fast, clean, and incredibly satisfying. The hydraulic horizontal splitter growy is an efficient agricultural device that easily connects to a tractor via a powerful hydraulic system. It is equipped with a versatile crane arm for convenient lifting and transporting materials. Notably, its adjustable 4-split blade adapts to various crops, ensuring optimal performance. The durable design and stable operation save time and effort for users. Growway is the perfect choice for fast and effective harvesting and crop processing. This DIY circular saw cuts 1 cubic meter of firewood into 33 centimeters logs in just 6 minutes. Built for power and durability, this saw delivers unbeatable speed and efficiency in wood processing. Its razor-sharp blade and precision guide system ensure clean, effortless cuts every time. Perfect for both home use and commercial operations, it maximizes productivity with minimal effort. Just power it up and watch it transform raw logs into perfectly stacked firewood in record time. The King Scorpion Pony Beast isn't your average machine. It's the ultimate hybrid of raw power and cutting-edge tech. With a 360-degree rotating cabin like an eagle's eye and an 8-wheel drive that crushes any terrain, this beast turns deep forests into its playground. It doesn't just eat rough rocks for breakfast, it operates with surgical precision. This is the ultimate partner for your daily bug harvesting grind. Ready to conquer with this monster. Palax KS43S, the ultimate wood-crushing beast with 16 tons of devastating hydraulic force, a quad-directional splitting wedge, and a razor-sharp 43 centimeters cutting blade. More than just a log splitter, this is a fiery phoenix that dominates ancient forests with explosive power and millimeter precision. Proprietary PAX technology turns even the hardest timber into a light snack in the blink of an eye. Want to witness 6.5-second splitting speeds and hydraulic fury that obliterates all limits? Let the Palax KS43S redefine productivity on your land. Steel nerves required. Witness the Palax KS43S, the monster that makes 30 tons of hardwood tremble. With its intelligent Lehair LRS handle, it lifts and stacks logs at lightning speed, turning timber mountains into a playground. Surgical precision, maximum fuel efficiency, peak performance in every split. This isn't a log processor, it's royal treatment for the timber industry. Ready to challenge the king of speed. That deep, rhythmic thump-thump echoing through the snow-laden woods isn't just engine noise. It's the reawakened heartbeat of mechanical engineering's golden age. Each steady combustion pulse beats like an iron heart, whispering tales of unpretentious endurance. This machine runs not on fuel alone, but on pure engineering soul. Listen closely, and you'll hear the quiet beauty of creations built to stand the test of time. Witness this, the ultimate way to conquer the most stubborn logs. The County Line 32-ton isn't just a log splitter, it's the undisputed king of the woodyard. With its majestic vertical stance and terrifying 3,400 psi crushing force, even the most twisted logs surrender instantly. No struggling, no sweating, just a hydraulic snap of your fingers, turning wood piles into neatly stacked firewood. It's time you experienced peak power that makes log splitting an endless joy. I've witnessed the future of DIY wood processing. This heart-stopping machine transforms raw logs into perfect firewood in the blink of an eye. No jams, no wasted time, every move precise as a mechanical ballet. This isn't a log splitter, it's a homemade masterpiece waiting for you to conquer. Are you the type who dares to build or just stands and watches? The SC30TX, the ultimate stump assassin with 36 pound-feet torque that pulverizes 20-inch stumps like they're nothing. No patience needed, no expensive rentals, just 5 minutes of operation and your yard looks like stumps never existed. This isn't your average grinder. It's the final boss of DIY tools. Buy once, use for life. Will you own this game changer or keep struggling with outdated manual methods? Amidst the bone-chilling 15-degree snow forest, the Valmet 841.3 operates like an indefatigable beast. Its 78.3 pound-feet torque roaring as it devours 7,000 pounds of logs per load. This isn't just any truck. It's the polar bear of timber harvesting. While other machines freeze in submission, this steel-forged warrior thrives, engineered to dominate the harshest winters. Witnessing the AutoSplit 630 in action reveals the astonishing power of the Honda GX 630 20 Orts-P engine. Just 3 hydraulic flicks and dense 24-inch logs split into perfect pieces like hot knife through butter. This isn't just a log splitter, it's a mechanical wizard that transforms labor into a mesmerizing performance art. I bet you won't be able to look away from its millimeter precision and the graceful rhythm of this machine if had moving like a seasoned dancer. Witness the performance of the Steel Colossus, an industrial crane lifting 88,000 pounds, nearly 40 tons of timber onto a truck in the blink of an eye. Every movement flows with the grace of a ballet dancer, stacking each log with astonishing precision. In just 3 minutes and 32 seconds, everything is ready for a 310-mile cross-state journey. This isn't ordinary loading. It's the art of transportation perfected, where industrial power meets flawless finesse. WS450, the undisputed log-splitting monarch that pulverizes giant timber like ancient tree trunks. Breakthrough hydraulic technology plus 45-centimeter ultra-resilient blade transforms wood splitting into effortless, one-touch operation. A monstrous 15 HP engine devours 3 tons of wood per hour, simpler than slicing butter. This isn't just a log splitter, it's a boundary-shattering powerhouse. Ever dreamed of owning a legendary log-splitting beast? SplitX 450, the ultimate log destroyer, splits even 47 centimeters thick logs in seconds. Instant excavator hookup, ready to crush in just 1 minute. Hardox steel body, built to outlast a decade of extreme use. Pro results from day one, no skills or training required. Revolutionary log peeling technology unleashed. Next-gen peeling machine with patented technology strips bark in seconds while preserving 100% of valuable wood integrity. Unmatched 15 miles per hour capacity handles logs 20 to 55 centimeters in diameter and up to 6 meters long with surgical precision. Dual operation flexibility, runs on clean electricity at factories or tractor, PTO for remote forest operations. Maximum efficiency, cuts costs by 30% while boosting productivity, 40% versus manual methods. Experience the future, transform raw logs into perfect timber masterpieces. Ryobi 40-volt 4740, the undisputed timber terminator with 12 tons of splitting force and 10x faster than hydraulic splitters. Brushless motor technology, whisper quiet operation, zero maintenance for 5 years, powered by massive 6-hour battery, 2-second cycle time. So fast you'll barely blink between splits. Save 90 hours month. Trade labor for profits and well-deserved coffee breaks.
Okay. Oh.
Equipped with a top-of-the-line stump grinder and a beastly 300 to 400 horsepower engine, they tackle any stump quickly and cleanly. No waiting, no mess. Just one call, and their professional team will be at your door. Let powerful technology say goodbye to that stubborn stump for you. Call today and see the difference. Meet the stump-destroying beast, Stumpy. 800, 133, 380 horsepower, enough to flatten an entire New Zealand old-growth forest. Manganese steel teeth, chews through rocks, grind stumps 35 centimeters below ground, devastating 6-meter min speed, 20x faster than manual removal. How versatile! Handles tiny 60mm stumps to monstrous 1.8-meter giants. Easy tractor integration, conquers any terrain. The Pesilato TLA15 plus TB900 is a top-tier combined system featuring a disc cutting station and an automatic splitting unit, delivering outstanding performance. With a robust design and smart operation, it processes logs quickly, precisely, and with minimal labor. It's the ideal solution for wood processing businesses that demand speed and reliability. Efficient, durable, and optimized, all in one powerful machine. Invest in technology to lead the market. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more awesome content. See you in the next one.